Record your Valor and Wisdom scores at 1. Correct, I believe. Yep, Wisdom and Valor. And choose at 1 and choose your starting reward and virtue. So I'm going to close this, go up to here and go to starting virtues. I got to scroll down to here. And you can see all these different virtues. These are the ones you start with. You cannot pick a cultural virtue specific to your heroic culture until you level up, basically. So let's see, what am I going to do? I'm going to pick Hope Rating by 2. No. Dour Handed. When inflicting special damage in combat, add 1 to your strength rating on a heavy blow. No. Nimbleness. Parry rating by 1. Yes, since I don't have a shield, I think I'm actually going to take that. So I'm going to take Nimbleness. So this is in Virtue. Oops. I am nimble. And that means I just get to take an extra 1. So I have a 19 parry score. And reward. Now I need to close this and go to reward. Here are the rewards. So close fitting armor would make my armor better. When you protection roll, okay. Cunning make. Load rating will reduce the load rating. That's it. That's the one I want. Cunning make. So I'm going to use that on my armor. So I'm going to cunning make. Boom. There we go. So it's down to 7 load. That's actually a big difference. Treasure. Now let's take a look. Starting wealth is associated with your standard of living, and it's on page 72 of the core rulebook. Now I'm not going to show you this, but it's quite simple. As a prosperous character, my treasure rating is 90 to start. There we go. The last thing, well, there's 2 more things. The second to last thing is the useful items. So to add useful items to your character sheet, you're just going to click on equipment again. You're going to go down to traveling gear, and you can see that there's a bunch of useful items. Now, if you don't see something here that you would want to use, then you can tell me, and I can create a new asset and put it in here, and you can add it to your character sheet. So I am prosperous, so I get 3. I'm going to have flint and steel. Just going to draw it into equipment. I'm going to have a elven rope, since I am an elf, and I'll have a book of elven lore. That seems very specific. Maybe not quite right for a captain, but that's fine. So that's it. Last thing is pony. Now, of course, not everybody has a pony or a horse. Unfortunately, there is not a place for your steed on this on the Foundry character sheet. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to here and put in company notes. Vigor is something that is used on journeys, so that's actually quite helpful. And that's it. That's the character sheet. I hope this was helpful and didn't take too long. If you have any questions, please let me know on the Discord, and we will troubleshoot it together. Cool. Good luck, and I look forward to playing with you.